Good morning. It's Thursday, November 3rd, 2022. It's almost 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And the market's been open for almost an hour now. And you can see the difference between now and yesterday when the market, overnight session, the market went down quite a bit. And this is a NASDAQ right here. And like I said before, NASDAQ never broke its balance area. And the ES actually did, but then it formed another balance area, so it pretty much stayed in it. Or actually, the same balance area actually grew. And so it pretty much stayed within this balance area. And then the Dow Jones broke out. Came up here, now it's coming down. Did a little gap down here today. So it's still early, it's still got plenty of time for this market to trade, so I would not expect it to go straight down, at least not right now, because there's too much time left for trading. At this juncture, I'm guessing, I'm not guessing, but I just have a feeling that this market's going to continue down and maybe break. But I still have my positions going down that I bought up in here. And I actually bought some more put options. And I just have a feeling that today's Thursday, probably today and tomorrow might continue down. And if it doesn't, and it comes back up, I'm still going to stay in my position. Because the way I feel right this minute, I highly doubt it's going to break up, come up here, and I don't think this is going to break up here. And I don't think this is going to continue up. Again, I could be wrong. If I am, I get out of my position and either take a small loss or I don't make anything. But just my feeling now, it looks like it's ready to start coming down and break down below these levels here. Okay, here's a daily chart on a NASDAQ. So each one of these lines is a day. And, here's all the way from the very beginning. Well, not really, but this is like from March. Right here, all the way down. Let's see, maybe we can show. I think I went the wrong way. No, as far as I can go. Anyway, so you can see that the trend is down. Trend's down. Long-term trend is down. Market's been doing its thing, bouncing, buying, selling, buying, selling. And it didn't look like it came up very much here. And it looks like it might, eventually it's going to break down. And I'm guessing, or I'm feeling that it's probably going to do that by next week. So if I go into a 5-year chart, here we are right here. The market came up. Came down, eventually it's going to break down. Let's go to a weekly chart. Okay. Gives you a better idea what's going on here. So eventually it's going to break down here, and it's going to just have a free fall. At least that's my opinion. It's going to have a free fall. It's going to come all the way down, maybe even below this line. But we won't focus on that now. We'll just focus on what's going on here. And if it free falls, it's pretty much in the open. Where's it going to go? It could tumble down maybe to here, all the way to here before it stops. And that might take a week, to happen. That's going to be pretty fast, this next downturn. Okay, this is the S&P, same thing. This is right here during COVID, the pandemic. And if this breaks down below this box, same thing, free fall. And Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, here's a line of, it's the bear market line right there, and the market came down, hit, and hit. You know, it's pretty much on target. And so it might take a while to come down, or it might just free fall from here. Who knows what's going to happen here? But I'm guessing eventually it's going to come down. I just don't know what the time frame is when that's going to happen. But it sounds like the NASDAQ is pretty much leading the way, going down. And it's right here, right below that box. And like I said, once it starts coming down here and it forms that second bar, pretty much we got a free fall going down. And that's my feeling, at least for right now. You know, that could change, but that's where I have my money. I have my money on put options. They're pretty far out there in December. They don't expire till December 22nd. So I've got a long time, and I think by then it's definitely gonna probably be down in this area. So for right now, since I trade the ES, and I'm going to be focusing just on that. There's a daily, these bars are each a day right here. I'm going to see where this goes. You know, it's sitting right here. And I like to look at the 4-hour chart. There we go. And, you know, of course it retraces. You know, that's what the market does. And I'm going to look at the NASDAQ, see where that's going. And if it breaks down here, then of course this is going to follow, you know, come down here and eventually break too. But again, we want some confirmation. This is the balance area. This is what I pay attention to right here. This tells me everything. So we've had buyers here. Now we got sellers here. How far down is this going to go? I guess we'll see. Market's coming back up. Short term. So that's it for now. Might do an update later on tonight. I'm not sure to see where this ended up and just give you a better idea. But again, I've got some put options I bought up in here, and they're December, so they're pretty far out. And my feeling is even if this went back up here, eventually it's going to come down at least by December 22nd and be way down in this area. And if not, if it breaks out into here and starts going up, and the other markets, the Dow and the NASDAQ, follow or start that path, then I will get out, and then I'll take a small loss because I bought at the top. Okay, that's it for now.